My name is Dr. James Donovan, and in this video my colleague Ella Boys, a qualified physiotherapist, is going to demonstrate 7 simple but very effective exercises you can do at home to help strengthen your arches if you have flat feet. These exercises can also help improve foot stability as well as reduce discomfort. For these exercises, you don't need a lot of equipment, often just a chair, a towel, or a simple tennis or golf ball. I've included any recommended items in the description box of this video, and remember that this is an educational demonstration only. Always speak to your own health provider first to make sure that these exercises are suitable and safe for you. Exercise 1 are heel stretches. Make sure you're near a wall, chair or railing to help with balance before starting this exercise. Stand an arm's length away from the wall or sturdy support with your hands at shoulder or eye level. Step one leg back, keeping that heel pressed to the floor. Next, bend your front knee slightly, leaning forward to feel a stretch in your calf and Achilles tendon of the back leg. Hold it for 30 seconds and then switch sides. You can repeat this 4 times per side. Exercise 2 are tennis or golf ball rolls. Again, sitting tall in a chair, place a tennis or golf ball under your foot. Then, pressing into it, roll it back and forth along your arch for 2 to 3 minutes. Once you've done it on one side, repeat it with the other foot. This gentle massage will help ease tension in the foot's arch, promoting flexibility as well as circulation. It's also worth noting that the golf ball will feel more uncomfortable than a tennis ball because it's harder and more rigid. Exercise 3 are arch lifts. Stand with your feet directly under your hips. Keeping your toes on the floor, lift your arches by rolling weight to the outer edges of your feet. Finally, return the arches to the floor. You can perform 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 lifts. The key is to work slowly, focusing on the muscles that lift and support your arches without letting your toes lose contact. Exercise 4 are calf raises. For this exercise, again, you might wish to be near a wall or chair for balance. Stand with your feet hip width apart and lift your heels as high as possible, coming onto the balls of your feet. Hold it for 5 seconds at the top and then slowly lower the heels down. You can perform 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions, then do a 30-second pulse at the top if desired to make it more challenging. Exercise 5 are stair arch raises. Start by standing sideways on steps so one foot is a step higher than the other. Let your lower foot's heel hang off the step. Then slowly lift that heel, focusing on creating a high arch. Rotate the arch inward slightly as your knee and calf turn out, emphasizing arch height, and then slowly lower back down. You can do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. Exercise 6 are towel or tissue curls. Sitting in a chair, place a towel or tissue or piece of paper under your feet. Root your heels into the floor and then curl your toes to scrunch the towel, pressing your toes into your foot. Keep the ball of your foot in contact with the floor and aim to perform 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. This simple exercise will target the tiny muscles that support your arch for stability. Exercise 7 are toe raises. Start by standing tall, feet hip width apart. Press your big toe into the floor, lifting the other 4 toes. Then reverse the movement by pressing the 4 toes down and lifting the big toe. Hold each lift for 5 seconds and do 5 to 10 lifts each way per foot. You can also do this in standing yoga poses like tree pose for extra balance challenge. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments section, and to support the channel, please consider subscribing and sharing this video with anyone you think might benefit from it.